Before we got solar, it was pretty obvious electricity bills are going to just continue to increase. So I always worried about how and if we can reduce the electricity cost of running the house. So just a little bit of tension at the time about what and how you overcome the problem of rising electricity bills. I was looking through publications in the Sunday Mail and publications where they've got all the deals on offer. I had a look at all them and all they did was confuse me. There were lots of deals out there and I just wasn't really sure where I should be going. When I looked up ZEN and I spoke to ZEN, I got a fairly clear picture that I get a pretty professional outcome. Well, we use quite a lot of power on the swimming pool, dryers and things like that, so my running costs during the day are reduced, which is good, so my quarterly bill's definitely down. And there's also the environmental impact. I think it's a feel-good thing to have solar operating and looking after the environment even just a little bit. Best part about the system, I don't have to do anything, I don't have to worry, it just operates itself. And it's a set and forget really. They're brilliant, they're really good. Got professional service. I didn't have to worry about any major claims or anything like that. It was a realistic outcome. Oh, look, I'd say it's pretty easy to install. I reckon it's economical in the longer term. The reduction in my quarterly bills is notable, so I'd be saying it's a no-brainer.